Adding an effect to a video clip on the timeline is really quite simple in Premiere Pro. All we need to do is find the effect that we want and drag and drop it onto the timeline. Then what we do is we open up the effects control to change certain parameters of that effect. Let's take a look at how to do this. So here I have my clip here. I'm in the editing workspace. I click over to the effect workspace, and on the right side of my screen you'll see some folders which have different effects and presets. So what I'm going to do is open up my video effect folder, and let's just add a very simple Gaussian blur to this effect. So I just drag it from here and drop it here on my timeline. Then over here on this tab I have my effects control. I go down to the bottom. Most likely you're going to find the effect that you've dragged and dropped at the bottom of the effect control. And here I can change the amount of blurriness. And as you can see, these parameters have a little stopwatch beside them, and that means that I can add keyframes and animate this effect as it plays on the timeline. So I can bring in the blurriness, or I can take out the blurriness as it plays. Let's take a look at some effects that you might be interested in using in Premiere Pro.
You have only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your training. With our combined strength, we can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy. Strength. We can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy.
I'll never join you!
If you only knew the power of the dark side.
I'll never join you!
If you only knew the power of the dark side. Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father.
He told me enough. He told me enough. He told me you killed him.
No. I am your father. I am your father.
No. That's not true. That's impossible!
Search your feelings. You know it to be true.